Izzy's been crying a little bit out here because she's a little upset about her feet being so dirty. And she wanted a washcloth. You gonna clean your feet? You gonna cut your feet all better? Here you go. I don't like to have dirty feet either. So are you gonna clean now? You gonna clean everything now? Oh, yay.
Mama.
All done? No, you can't do this.
Daddy.
Yeah, say hi, Daddy.
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 Dada.
Dada. Say hi, Dada.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy. You're just not. Yuck.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.